What's up, world? Let me know when you pick up what I'm putting down here. So you're one of those people. You got 1,000 pictures on your cell phone. You have them on your iPads and your Samsung stuff and your whatever. And then you want to go to share them with people. So now you're looking at this itty bitty little screen. This big. And then what happens if your battery dies? What if we have a solar flare? You're screwed. Try printing your pictures. It's better for you. You can put them in an album. Just don't keep them on your phone. It's kind of a stupid place to keep it. And it's not very easy to share. And when I say share, I mean not sharing just on a tiny little device. It's like you can put them in an album. You can give them to your grandkids. You want to hand over your cell phone to your grandkids? Yeah, try that. And here comes my dog. So it's just a piece of advice. Just don't just keep them on a tiny little electronic device. It's great for, you just want to post it on social media and people will look at it for half a second and then it'll be gone. That's all they care about. All right, thank you.